And what I'm seeing all of this change due to so many ambitious people. I see them getting frustrated because what they're aiming at, what they're trying to accomplish, doesn't feel like it's under their control anymore. So their reaction is to individualize, to isolate, to say, I've got this on my own. I don't want to rely on anyone else. I don't want approval from anyone else. I don't want to be disappointed by someone else. And I get the reaction. But for most, it's just not the right move. Right now is a time for teamwork, not to do it alone. And here's why. The challenge with change is you can't see around corners. And most of us can't keep going straight along anymore. So there's a catch. But then don't try to figure it out on your own. It truly is the time to work with others. If you're running a business or an organization or a team, even if you're looking to start something now to get it off the ground, I want you to think about this. Goals are going to need to shift to adapt to change. And when those goals strictly come from one voice, it's risky. Shifting goals can't just come as a statement of clarity from a single vantage. So don't try it. One person can't see enough. They can't see all the shifts. They can't hear all the feedback. They can't talk to all the customers or all the stakeholders. Everyone needs their ear to the ground. When reality is shifting, don't break away from a team. Build your team. I know you want to do it on your own. Ask people to join you instead. And then here's the second part. Invite new voices. Because it's not even just about a team. It's actually about different perspectives. Viewing things from different directions. You can't only be informed from one perspective, or from one group, or from one culture, or one community. That doesn't cut it. It's time for equity. Yes. It's also time for more data. It's the time to invite more people into the conversation. This is the time for teamwork. And that team better have diverse perspectives. There's a need to transform what you have been doing to what you will be doing. Because what is the way forward? That's the ultimate task of leadership. And you should be digging into that with a team. I mean, doing it on your own, I get the appeal and the simplicity. But let's be clear, this is a complicated time. And my suggestion is work together.